spectators, please do not jump off the wharf into the water while races are in progress. Very dangerous out there. These guys are motorists. Please keep out of their way. So please, out of the water, any spectators, until the races are finished. And 14's off. Oh, a bit of a late start. He's laid out of the blocks, but he's catching up first. There he goes. Boat 8 spinning down. Watch out, people. Boat right there already.
There's another one here.
Boat 6 chomping at the bit here. Oh, there's one more to go, boat 4. Michael from Hot Shot is waiting to go here. Clear of path, we've got one more to go. He's away. Go Michael. Hot Shot's got a lot of fastest sprinter. Sure. Alright, as well as T-ball.
Wow.
We have Evan Girl on Donna X.
There. Well done. There we go. Michaela's from Thai Happy. My word, that's right, they're all good. And the last contestant for today in this category is Chloe Rose Adams, and she's from Pahi. She's 3 now, and she loves swimming and singing and dancing. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Who was the most beautiful for Miss Pahi Tiny Tots?
Continue the cycle.